Hello and welcome to Laguna Niguel's last master plan development known as San Joaquin Hills. You know, since 1997, April, when we had groundbreaking, it has been in constant production. And some of the highlights that distinguish the community are the fact that it's a 24-hour gated community, which is 2 separate entrances. The amenities are usually offered or referred to as very simple but functional and elegant, and that starts with 2 saltwater pools, jacuzzis, common areas, and within the center of the community, it offers a great community park that you're constantly finding family gatherings, offering barbecue areas, tot lots, a big grassy knoll, and an exceptional basketball court. The demographics of the whole of the community are very broad, and that's because of the offering of over 8 different subdivisions within development. Throughout the years, S&S, the builder, really took its time to listen, watch, and address the trends, but more importantly, really keep its pulse on the consumers' behaviors and the changes that were happening within design. After 18 years of building, you're going to find over 54 different floor plans, and they're all geared for reconfiguring after post-production, such as the high ceilings are excellent for adding open lofts, additional bedrooms or media rooms, and along with most of the models that have a downstairs bedroom, they really offer the ability to convert it into a large master retreat downstairs. As far as the floor plans themselves, they range from an exceptional and unique single-story 1,400 square foot model to over quite a few 4,000 square foot models that are extremely functional, both top and bottom, to be able to be configured in many different ways there. In June 2012, the final 84 lots were deemed and allotted to be called the subdivision of the Fioras, and that's probably when you see some of the greatest changes, some subtle, such as removing the built-in media niches that we saw because of the flat screen TVs. Fireplaces were no longer standard, they were optional. So by spring of 2014, the final 12 lots are being built, and when the development is complete, there's going to be over 943 homes and truly offering South County lifestyle. If you desire to get more information, please visit our site, or if you have some very specific questions about the community, feel free to give me a call direct.